Oh my god, wow! No one can snatch my dreams away from me. I don't feel strong yet. What is lacking in me?
Determination. I am determination. It's me, my boy. Determination. Induce me in you. You will scale the zenith of success for sure. Wait and watch.
जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका मौका मिले तो करूं मैं ये दोबारा जुनू के आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका मौका मिले तो करूं मैं ये दोबारा जुनू की आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा
जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां जग्गा जित्तिया जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां के आया है फतेह करके सूरमा सूरमा के माने है जम्मिया एक सूरमा 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 सूरमा
रोके वो काफी रुके ना तू तो टोके वो काफी झुके जरा भी रुकेगी ना पर इनकलाबी मन है राजी डरना क्यों अब अपनी बारी मार ही लेंगे अब तो बाजी
जग्गा लिख गया नई कहानी जग्गा लिख गया जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां के आया है फतेह करके सूरमा सूरमा के माने है जम्मिया एक सूरमा 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 सूरमा
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी
दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया। नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया। सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है, मुंबई हो या और दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस, यह मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू। यह मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू, मेरा वाला डांस।
Something, you about to see something. It's coming, we're unstoppable now. Ain't nothing gonna take us down, we're unstoppable now. Fade to black, take a bow, yeah. We're unstoppable now. Here it comes. We're picking up steam, just
Finally, I'm so relieved and happy. Hope, dreams, faith, determination. These are the true essence of human life. They always bring the positivity inside of you. Let me enjoy this unstoppable spirit.
Voice inside of me, and it's shouting out, and it has a dream. It won't back down, and it won't be silenced. And there's a fighter deep inside, this champion, and it's gonna rise, and it won't back down, and it won't be silenced. You're gonna hear me above the crowd, confident and loud, unstoppable now. You're gonna see me light up the sky, just like dynamite. I'm unstoppable now. I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable.
J-Lo, ya tú sabes, no hay más nada.
It's a new generation
Mr. Worldwide,
of party people.
get on the floor, darling, get on the Red one.
Let me introduce you to my party people in the club.
I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the chain. Baby, it's the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brains, so don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused, no. Cause you will lose, yeah. Now pump it up and back it up like a Tonka truck. Dale.
If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break the sweat on the floor, yeah, we work on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. Pick your body up and drop it on the floor. Let the rhythm change your world on the floor. You know we're running tonight on the floor.
Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza. के देख, जरा गिर के देख, तू भिड़ के देख, फिर ख्वाबों पे तू मिट के देख। मैदान भी होगा तेरा, तू हक से मान। लगा मिट्टी माथे, लगा मिट्टी माथे, लगा मिट्टी माथे, और ले छलांग, 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 और ले छलांग। लिखी है जो हाथों पर वो बस लकीर है, लिखी है जो हाथों पर वो बस लकीर है। लिखनी आसमानों पर अपनी तकदीर है। पूछा है उसने तुझसे, जाया न कर ये मौका, छीन ले अपनी किस्मत, है किसने तुझको रोका। अपनी कमजोरियों की हर हद तू लान। लगा मिट्टी माथे, लगा मिट्टी माथे, लगा मिट्टी माथे, और ले छलांग, और ले छलांग, और ले छलांग।
We welcome you to the 13th annual gathering of Omkar Cambridge International School. Greetings for the day. I, Anuja Naik, the principal of Omkar Cambridge, would first like to address the present situation. In last 1 year, the massive change in education which has taken place in year 2019-2020, the impact of COVID-19 on education has been huge. The difficulties that we all are facing across globe is something we all never predicted. All the people have been tremendously impacted in every possible way, emotionally, socially, and in economical means. Most importantly, the fear of pandemic has led us to the downfall in every situation. Taking in mind the safety of our students and staff, we all switched to an online platform at the earliest. Continuing education on an online platform was not the easiest. Being mentally prepared for switching to a mode which none of us were familiar was not easy. But as we all know, it just takes a while to conquer any problem if we have young, talented and strong team to support every challenge without even complaining about. Also, they face the financial instability. My complete staff supported me in every possible way. I am blessed with the most devoted, enthusiastic and immensely talented and hardworking staff. An excellent and skillful staff always remains backbone of any institution. In regards to Cambridge IGCSE and A-level board exams, the changing scenario and with the uncertainty around the board examination in our school and our country affected, our grade 10th and 12th learners coped up with the syllabus and concept virtually with bare minimum actual hands-on and practice. Could manage to give IGCSE and A-level exams in Feb-March series with 100% attendance. This year being a very special year, Omkar Cambridge International School children seeks your blessings and best wishes. We were able to give uninterrupted and continuous teaching to all the learners of our school, as most of the parents have met the necessary obligation towards school on or before time. I am wholeheartedly and sincerely thankful to all those parents. It is because of them we could deliver non-stop service to our learners and aid them in moving one step ahead with all necessary syllabus and content to succeed in next grade in every best possible way we could. Even in time of crisis, Omkar Cambridge team and all the learners performed exceptionally well, and the same has been recognized and appreciated by the parents and the community around. In upcoming year, our school will be the first school in Kalyan Dombivli for being recognized as first Cambridge Early Years Center. With that, we are going to offer complete Cambridge pathway from next academic year. We got accredited for conducting EY1, EY2 and EY3 from coming academic year. We have also decided to adapt and switch to the new upgraded Cambridge curriculum in the forthcoming academic year. Have agreed on quality assurance process and adapted almost every parameter in offering new and upgraded Cambridge curriculum and assessment in our school. Once again, we were able to do successful transition with Cambridge primary and lower secondary curriculum because of dedicated and experienced teaching resources and faculties we have in-house. Our learners will be able to get new upgraded worksheets and resource material from coming academic year. With regards to IGCSE examinations, we are offering new upgraded syllabus subjects from year 2021 like additional maths, international mathematics, English as second language, GPNR. Also, we are offering additional subjects options in AS and A-levels. We are eagerly waiting for upcoming academic year to start off with an exciting and high quality educational journey to offer. That we will benefit our learners to develop the wisdom, knowledge and adapt and learn skills they need to make the superlative potential advantage in life. Great thing happens to those who don't stop believing, trying, learning and being grateful. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
And so we have reached the end of today's virtual annual celebration. Once again, we express our deepest gratitude to all our viewers. I'd like to start by appreciating Mrs. Darshana Samant ma'am for coming online amidst her commitments and motivating us through her presence. My heartfelt thanks to Archana ma'am, Aparna ma'am, Anuja ma'am, Vijaya ma'am and Jayashree ma'am for being here with us tonight and guiding us throughout. It has been our honor to have entertained you tonight. We must also appreciate and acknowledge all the supervisors, teachers and non-technical staff for making this event possible and above all, successful. I thank all the parents for being part of the celebration and viewing this event. Finally, we must mention the tremendous efforts of our students and alumni for showcasing their talents and being a wonderful audience.
Teacher, see the good inside me. Take my hand and guide me your way. Teacher, when you see me giving up, teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hands, so thank you, thank you. Teacher, we are still the young ones, but we won't be the young ones for long. Teacher, take me and define me. When you are beside me, I'm strong.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sukhalam Malayaj Sheetalam Sasya Syamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhrajyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini.